Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to tell you the story of Hannah from the Bible. Friends, what are you going to learn from the story of Hannah? Hannah had a lot of sufferings in her life, but she did not give up. She prayed to the Lord and she had faith. So she overcome the hardships in her life. Okay, now I'll tell you the story. The story present in the Bible in 1 Samuel chapter 1 and 2. Okay, now let's move on to the important characters of the story. The first important character is Elkanah. He's a Zophite. He lives in the hill country of Ephraim. Hannah, one of the wife of Elkanah, she's a barren woman. And the third important character is Peninnah. She had sons and daughters. The fourth important character is Eli. He lives in Shiloh. He is a priest. Okay friends, now let's move on to the summary. In the hill country of Ephraim, a man lived in the name of Elkanah with his two wives, Hannah and Peninnah. Hannah was often ill-treated for being barren by Peninnah. Whenever Hannah was broken, Elkanah used to comfort her. He used to tell her that, "Do not be worried, I am more than many children to you." One fine day, when the entire family moved to the God's temple in the place of Shiloh for sacrificing their offerings, Hannah and Peninnah had disputes between each other. Because of the ill treat of Peninnah, Hannah was totally broken. Hannah could not control her tears. She went to the Lord's presence. She prayed. She cried bitterly, and she made an oath to the Lord. "Dear God, if you give me children, I'll give my firstborn to be a minister for you forever, for his life." Eli, the priest who was in the temple, noticed Hannah was there for a longer time. He mistook her as a drunken woman. Then Hannah told Eli that she was a broken woman. She has a lot of suffering. Eli comforts her and tells her that very soon she will be blessed with a baby. Hannah rises from the Lord's presence, wiped her tears, and moved from the place. From the day onwards, she was not worried because she believed in God. So friends, what we want to learn from the story is, we may also have a lot of suffering, but we should also be patient and faith in God. So Hannah moved from the place. She went to the home, and the very next year, Hannah and Elkanah were blessed with a boy baby. See how miracle? The previous year, Hannah was totally heartbroken, but she worshipped the God. She had faith in the God. The very next year, she was blessed with the boy baby. That is a true blessing. But she waited patiently. After the boy became 1 year, he was taken to the temple of Shiloh. Now Hannah was happy that she has given her firstborn to the Lord to be a minister to the Lord. And that's it friends. The story of Hannah ends. Hannah was deeply worried, but she did not choose any other sources to get comfort. Where did she get comfort? Only in the Lord's presence. There will be lots of Peninnahs in the world, where we have to overcome them. Day by day, minute by a minute, we have problems, sufferings. But how come we can overcome our failures? How to be blessed? This story of Hannah also gives us is also one of the examples. We should be patient and we should believe in God. If we believe in God, He will never leave us without a blessing. So, my friends, if you are worried, if you are troubled, if you are heartbroken, arise from your bed, arise from yourself where you are. Be strong. Today, pray to the Lord. Your blessing will be definitely provided to you. Our heart's desire will be given to us, but we should believe. See, a barren woman bore a child. Same wise, God can do any miracle. So, my friends, believe in God. Do not be worried about anything. Be strong. Stay happy. One of the important verse from the story of Hannah is in chapter 2, verse 8. He rises the poor from the dust. He lifts the needy from the ash heap to make them sit with nobles and inherit a seat of honor from the pillars of the earth of the Lord. And he set the whole on the friends. Hope you would have now listened the story of Hannah. Hope you all have enjoyed it, and now we should have started that like Hannah. We should also have faith in God, and we should also be blessed. Okay, hope you all like my videos. Please share this, comment, and subscribe my channel.